Welcome back, everyone. Nate with 911 Rapid Response. Thanks again for tuning into our channel where we showcase all of our vehicle upfits, all of the great work that our technicians do here. And we're back today with a fan favorite. 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe upfitted for the Susquehanna Regional EMS. Start with aftermarket equipment at the front of the vehicle. Go Rhino push bumper. This is the LR series push bumper. So we're integrating two Whelen ions in the top channel. You can option this push bumper with a 4-light channel as well. Two 100-watt siren speakers on the front, so our CENTCOM core system driving 200 watts. Splitting that up between our two siren speakers. Vehicle's currently in a priority response mode. So slide 3, we got all of our white flashing active. We've tied our headlights in to the CENTCOM core system, so our headlight flashing is synchronized with all of our other emergency warning. Each side of the push bumper, two surface-mounted Whelen T-ion duos. Our main piece of the warning on the roof is the Whelen Liberty 2 duo light bar. So we get full red-white capability out of the front corners. Apologies, not on this one. We actually get green functionality out of the corners on this light bar for command identification. Rear warning, we're actually only utilizing the first inboard module on the rear because of the HVAC unit that's on the roof. Whelen Argus fender mounted spotlight, currently in a sweep. That'll be active with slide 3 out of drive in park. That'll just go to its home position and be able to be utilized as a normal spotlight. 5-lamp Whelen Tracer Duo, red-white. We will get functionality out of that with doors, so alley function, our white feature with the door pop on either side. And Duo Whelen Strip Light Plus in the rear side cargo window, mounting that off the headliner via 90-degree bracket. Taking a look at the graphics package designed and installed by Market Graphics. Another great job done by the folks over there, so much thanks to them, providing a turnkey solution to all of our customers in-house. Livery design across the bottom. Rear warning, Whelen outer edge. That outer edge is mounting off of that top ledge there on the hatch. 6 Whelen ions, all duo red amber. That's going to complement the light bar, being that we're not getting the full usage out of the light bar there, the center modules. We'll get traffic advisor features out of that outer edge. 2 Whelen Vertex in the tail lamps. Surface mounted duo Whelen T-ions either side of the license plate. We've also got a Technique ground light here. So when this vehicle's in park and the ignition is on, that will automatically turn on, and we'll get some lighting for the workspace at the back of the vehicle. All right. Finishing off the rear warning at the back, we'll get the activation of the 2 Whelen T-ions underneath that ledge there for overhead warning when the hatch is up. And we've got the custom 911 Just Box It solution in the back here. So the solution is providing mounting space for remote heads, radios. Also providing open storage space as well as a locking slide out. So you can use this as a work surface, writing surface, or put a gear bag on here, maybe something that's a little bit heavier, don't have to reach in, you can slide it out and just grab and go from there. And we've also got this open space which runs straight to the front of the vehicle. And this client can store spine boards there. And then we've also got our locking slide out command solution, whiteboard. Two Whelen compartment lights on the interior as well. Those give red-white function. So if we leave that on in red or white, those will automatically turn on and off with the hatch open and close, or we can select it off and client can choose what lighting they would like while the hatch is up. There we can take a look at that light now. The vehicle's in park, so the ground light there is active. just box it solution does extend up to the second row. So it's going to be very similar on either side. On this side, we do have the flashlights mounted, and we've also got a glove box holder there. The open storage here is secured with these Velcro straps, which will drop down. So we have open storage on either side, and this is an adjustable height shelf, so they can adjust the height of this shelf, both spaces there as needed. Again, vehicles equipped with the auto eject. That auto eject is going to be utilized for battery charging, and it is also going to be powering the HVAC unit that is on top of the vehicle. So as described in previous videos, many of you that have been with us for a couple years, you've seen this vehicle before. Basically the same layout in a Tahoe, just a little bit newer this time. And this unit can be stationed at one of many different departments, and it is not indoors. So they have obviously life-saving medicines on board, and they keep that climate controlled. So they plug in outside of the station that they're at, and then operate either the air, the cooling, or the heating to keep it climate controlled inside the vehicle. Up front, we've got the Havas vehicle-specific wide console. We've got our customer supplied radios, our Whelen Cencom Core control head, knob and slide variant. We also have our Whelen Argus control, cup holders. And if we turn to the back there and look at the front side of the box, you can see that we have our thermostat for our HVAC unit and other electronics there. And we can take a look at some functionality that we have. Again, tracers will flood with the door pop. So nice feature there. When exiting or entering the vehicle, it's going to illuminate the workspace around the side of the vehicle. Takedown feature. It's a dual press. Got alley features. A scene feature, which will activate all of our white flood, front, side, rear. We also have a command feature, which is going to activate our green corners in the light bar. There's a steady burn the green there for command identification. This vehicle is also equipped with the backup alarm, and we do have a backup alarm cut. Single siren, again, just driving two 100-watt speakers. Traffic advisor features as always on these emergency vehicles. And that'll wrap it up, folks. Thanks for tuning in once again. Make sure your comments are well animated below. Again, a fan favorite. Love this vehicle, and hopefully plenty more to come. Give us a call at 717-473-3843 if we can help you out or answer any questions for you. And like, subscribe, follow on all of our social media outlets, and we'll see you next time.